Okay, so today I'm gonna show you people how you people can reset your PC, especially HP. That's what I'm having. So what we're gonna do is like we're gonna on here. You're gonna press the button of the computer. Then you press instantly when you on it. You have to go for F11. That is here. So let's try and see. We on it. Then we go to F11. You have to be pressing, keep pressing for F11. It says wait. Then you can leave it. When you leave it, it will say wait. So we have to wait it to load, and then it will give us a screen that will help us to go with the instruction. Okay, here says continue. Use a USB device troubleshoot. So we are going to use troubleshoot here. When you press troubleshoot, it said reset this PC. Let's you choose whether to keep or remove your personal files, and then reinstall Windows. Recover, manage HP backup and recovery, or contact HP support. Advanced and option. So I'm gonna go for reset. If you want, you can keep your files. If you want, also you can remove everything. So when you go to troubleshoot, you have to press reset this PC. If you want to keep your files, you can keep your files. But if you are not intending to keep your files, then you can just remove everything. Remove all of your personal files and apps settings. So I'm gonna go for that, and say could download and reinstall Windows. Local reinstall. So what I'm gonna say is like I'm going to local install Windows from this device. Download and reinstall Windows. So I think it's the file that we have to select instead of going to the local one, because when I select this one, it will help me. I always use that one. So if you also decide to use the local settings, you can use that one. So when you do that, you have to wait it to so here we are going to the local okay, it says here just remove my files, clean the drive fully. So I'm gonna use for clean the drive fully, because I'm intending to do something that you know that is very important for you, for your job. Then you can do that as your tactic. You can use it as a weapon to clean everything, so that you can get into your point easily. Okay, here says reset this PC. Are you ready to reset this this device? This cannot be undone. Make sure that your device is plugged in this may take a while. Resetting will remove all personal files and account on this device. So I'm gonna reset. Make sure also that your computer is plugged in you reset the computer and it is done now. This is how you can go on with your settings. So here you're gonna select the language, or if you want you can select another language. So I'm gonna select English. Then when you select English, you have to see the screen that is called Cortana, that is always available for you to give you an assistant. So you have to wait it to load, then you go with it. Then when the loading is ready, you have to select your country. I'm in Italy, so I'm gonna select Italy. Yes. Then you have to wait it to load again. So is this the right keyword layout? Okay, so like if I use Italian, I can use the at keyword, but if I don't use Italian, I cannot use it. So by having Italian is better for this Italian PC, but I'm going to use United Kingdom so that you people also can understand what I'm going through. So this layout, this keyword, that you have in your computer, Instead of having it here, you're just gonna skip. I'm gonna skip it. I don't know about you. Maybe if your keywords have problem, you can use it. So here you have to connect to a Wi-Fi connection. I have my home Wi-Fi here. It's connected. Continue. So now here you can see now the computer have restarted itself. So now what you're gonna do is like you don't have nothing to do. You have to sit and wait for it, and this is the magic of resetting your laptop. This is a very simple way. You just need like 1-2 hours for it to load and reset everything. It depends also which type of computer you are using. Like my HP, when I start resetting it, I must wait for at least 1 hour and a half or 2 hours for it to load. It depends on how slow is the computer. So when the computer was very slow, it will take more time. I don't know about others' computer, but mine, this is how it works. So especially I used to do it in the night before, but today I prefer doing it because of what is coming for me. So here you can see you have to click accept and then go on with it. Then enter your email, any other type of if you want Skype or phone number, you can go with it and do your things. So that's the way Sparta King Sparta. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Boom.